8L90. I'm gonna replace the harness inside because of this sensor right here goes bad, so we gotta replace the harness. While I'm there, I'm gonna do the thermostat. They have a TSB for that out, but I found this out before, which is better. The thermostat, which on factory it's 190, which is too hot. It's gonna burn clutches and it's gonna get shit hot, make clutches not last as long, and burn my torque converter clutch up if I don't be careful. So got that, which is always flowing, and it's a 155. But the other setup, it wouldn't open up the thermostat and go to the radiator until it hit 190, so it should be a big improvement. And then I'm gonna do the TSB to add the new updated fluid, so I'll have the shudder. Yeah, buddy. This is the kit I saw online. 6L, 8L, 10L, 8, 90, 90E. So it just gives you the spool valve, the new top valve, gets rid of this, and it's pretty simple. Take it off, one bolt, blow this out really good, and you're gonna put new O-rings on there. You're gonna put a new ball, and what it does, it's always gonna flow, and it's gonna maintain the temperature at 155 instead of being at one. Well, the GM coming out with the new one now that it's like at lower temperature, but it's still blocked off. It's not always flowing into the cooler and the radiator, so you're still kind of. I'd rather have it flowing all the time and maintain a quick fill. That's the reason why I went with this kit. So I want to do the same. Part number is STL010. It's by Superior Transmission Parts, Shift Technology. All right. So the kit's pretty straightforward, so I figured I'd just do it real quick. You put the O-rings there. You put the O-rings on the new spool valve. You put the smaller O-ring on there. You get your little ball. And you're gonna put this down first, down in the body. You put the spring like that. The ball's gonna go into here, and it's gonna go like that. And that's all gonna correlate like that first. So that's that. And you say you're supposed to put the ball in like that. I'd rather just do it like this. It's hard with holding it like so. Since you already got it like that, I seen videos where, but I see it's just better just to line it like that, and then you could just slide it in, and that's it. And then you should be able to push it in one more time. That's it. Then you can put your C-clip in, and you're done. And there's all she wrote. Pretty simple. Gets rid of the thermostatic style with that, and you're done. Simple, guys. So there we got the new harness in, and then all the solenoids connected, lock-up solenoid. Then we got the new modified thermostat put in. So just put the filter back on and pan, torque bolts, fill it up. So you gotta fill this. There's a TSB for the shudder. And even though I don't got the shudder, I'm gonna put it in anyway, just to prevent it. And they got a special tool to fill to fill the transmission pad up, because it's like the old Fords where you, well, not the old Fords, where you just put the adapter in there, and it's rised up enough where you fill it up, starts overflowing. That's when it's full. Well, I don't have the adapter, I have it for the Ford, which is different. There's my tool. A guy online, I see he did it and it worked. So there's just a weed sprayer. You cut the end off and then you put a piece of hose or whatever. And that's how you fill it up. And you mark it. So I'm gonna put 5 quarts in it, and I'll put the other 3 in it. I'm gonna take 7.5. See how it goes. Okay, here we got fired off, no check engine light. So once I filled it up, it took about 4 quarts. Start coming out that drippy hole, which I'll show you right now. And then I filled it up another 2 quarts while I was running till it comes out. And then now I'm watching for the temp. I want 90 degrees to 111. So about 100 degrees, I'm gonna go check it, and I'm gonna dribble it out until where it's full, and I'll show you that right now once this gets going here. And then I'll give a real quick peek at what I'm talking about. Here's my contraption. So you just, the fill plug is up there. It's a little hole. You take off this plug. So these don't have dipsticks. And like the Fords, this has a little plug right here. See how it's higher than the pan? Well, it has to go over that. So once you fill it up, it should trickle down. So once at 100 degrees, I'll take this plug out, and it's gonna come out, which is overfilled. You want it to start trickling, and then we're full. Put it on there, we're done. So I'll show you that spot, and then we'll call it a day. And then I gotta do the FAST Relearn, so you can learn everything, the new fluids. So now we're 100 degrees. We're gonna go down there. We're gonna check it. It's almost. If I need more. Yeah, so she's full. So right when this gets trickled down, it'll be full. You'll see right now it should start trickling down. Okay, so it started to trickle down. So it starts getting like that. We want it to trickle. There we go. And then we're full. Wait till it's done trickling some more. Nope. So she's tighten it up and you're done. Okay, once the temperature's like 170, it'll let you initiate the relearn. Right now, I went through a whole bunch of ups and downs, and it right now is doing the calibration test. It's applying clutch pressure, and you can hear the clutches engaging and releasing. So there it goes. It goes in gear by itself. So it'll do this for a while, and then I'll do each gear more likely, and then when it's done, it'll say completed, and I'll get with you back there. So you can actually hear it applying the pressure and whatnot. try to catch it for you guys. See the RPM drop. Then it goes into gear. There it goes. Still doing it, but it'll do that until it's done. So when it's done, which took about 10 minutes, it's all done. So all we gotta do is just follow the steps here, and then we'll see what it does. So what you wanna do is exit the function, turn the key off, open the door, close it, so everything goes to sleep, and then wait 30 seconds, turn your car on, and you're done with the FAST ADAPT. So here I'm just checking out the temperatures. I put that new thermostat in. We're at 183. Before it was always at 190, but I had to get the transmission really hot by doing a stall test. But it should get warm once we get going in the air. But that's all, guys. It's at 179 now. It's dropping. So just wanted to let you know how that whole process went, from putting the harness in, from putting that thermostat bypass valve kit in from Super Cool, putting the new fluid in, using the homemade pump deal, and doing the relearn. All right. You guys have a good day. Good night. And please subscribe for more videos like this and old school Hondas and all that kind of jazz.